A microscope is any tool that allows us to see details in objects that would otherwise be too small to see with our eyes alone. It's hard to say who invented the first microscope because people have probably been playing around with magnifying lenses ever since clear glass was invented, but it could be argued that the first person to really promote the use of microscopes as serious tools of science was artist and researcher Robert Hooke. In 1665, he published a book called Micrographia. It was filled with beautiful drawings he made while gazing through his microscope. In the book, he reported, apparently for the first time, that razor blades aren't really that sharp if you look at them close up, that insects have strange compound eyes, and that plants appear to be made of tiny structures that he called cells. Several years later, a fabric merchant named Antony van Leeuwenhoek started designing his own microscopes so he could better examine the quality of fabrics he was buying. Curiosity led him to examine many subjects aside from fabric, and he eventually discovered microorganisms. He reported seeing tiny creatures that scientists of his time did not know existed. He found them living in pond water. They lived in beer. They lived in his own saliva and a number of his other bodily secretions.